Okay, good morning, YouTube. We are ready to get started. Just let me throw this live stream up on the Barcelona trader.com website. That's not it. Let's see. Okay, almost there. And that should do it. We're now live on the site. Okay. Let's see how things are going here. Let's take a little trip around the block. VIX is at about 17, so not too much volatility. Dollar and the 10-year US government bond yield have both been dropping overnight, sending gold on a bit of a ride upwards. This is the 5-minute chart. This blue vertical line, light blue vertical line over here on the left, blue-green, is when the market opened at 6 p.m. last night at New York time. Since then, it's been a little up and down, but mostly up. Looks like price has moved about 30 pips, $30 from when it opened to where we are now. Okay, here is the 1-minute chart. We see we topped out here at 33.74 almost, and now we're back down to 33.70. Still seeming to be in a solid uptrend.
Good morning, man.
Hey, good morning, Tono. Tono.
All right.
Yay.
Look like you had a nice run last night.
Yeah, price went up to about 33.74 just now.
Really?
And
Okay.
it looks like the whole run up was, I mean, there was that run up in Asia after you and I got off, but then it looks like the real run up happened between Asia and London before the London session started. London's
Okay.
kind of flat compared to what happened before London. And then now we're getting another push up pre-New York.
Yeah, almost the last 45 minutes, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. We want to see this. We haven't seen it do this in a minute, so that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was on taking care of some things on my computer with no problems.
Mm-hmm.
The minute I clicked on the Zoom link, my mouse is going haywire again. So it's
Wow.
Zoom. Zoom is causing a problem with my system.
And ChatGPT didn't give you any solution to that?
Yeah, it told me to uninstall it, reinstall it, update the graphic cards. I did everything that it said. Basically ripped everything down to the
Wow.
bones and put and reinstalled all my platforms again. And without it's still the problem. I didn't realize that it was this bad until just that second ago when I logged
Wow.
on.
What a pain in the ass.
I didn't even get the thing is I didn't even get to log on. I clicked on your link, clicked on the link for Zoom. And before Zoom even opened, before I could even see you, the mouse
Mm-hmm.
started going like,
Oh, wow.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So there's something funky, but that's a good thing because I can fix that by just opening up Zoom on a on a different thing. You know what I
Right.
mean?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. I wonder if I can open it on this.
When you got an email a little bit ago from the Barcelona Trader website
Hmm. Give
with
me
a
one
new
second, Mike.
post. Okay.
Let me just get my headset.
Yep.
Come back. What were we saying?
When you got an email from the Barcelona Trader website, presumably a few minutes ago with today's blog post,
Right.
in that email, was there a video link at the footer of it or just the text?
You there?
Yep.
Okay. It has the Zoom link, and underneath it says "or watch on YouTube" with a link.
No, no, not that one's from me. I'm asking about one that came from the site, like
Oh, the
with
Barcelona Trader.
yeah,
Okay, let's see. It's all the way down to the bottom. You're saying?
yeah.
Um, I don't see any links.
There's no, you don't see a video down there or anything.
I see something that says, "In the beginning, I just wanted to trade." That's not a link to a video, though, right?
If it's at the footer, I think it is. Yeah.
Let me see if I can click on it. No, it seems like just a picture.
Oh,
Hold on.
really?
Oh, it's opening up something. Yeah, it is a video.
Okay. All right. I just wanted to check that.
You should click something like click here or something because it doesn't look like
Doesn't look like a video.
doesn't
Okay.
look like a video. I would have passed it right by.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
But it looks good. Let me check out the post for the day. Right. So I just closed Zoom on my laptop and I opened it up on my phone and I got no problem.
Hmm. All right. Good.
You know what I mean?
Yep. Yep.
So we got to figure that out.
Well, more importantly, that your system works.
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Okay, let's see where we're going today. Right now, let's just take a little tour. We have price sitting just below the DR2 and above the DM4. There on the 5 minute chart, there is a bear volume before we get to the DM2
Hmm.
or the DR2, excuse me. The DR2 is also sitting right where the MM3 is, just a little bit of a difference. So with that bear volume plus the DR2 plus the MM3, we've got enough confluence up there to create probably a tough ceiling to get through right now, unless more volume comes in. Um, so there might be more room to trade down if price is so inclined. Um, let's see, that's about it. We've had the dollar and the 10-year bond yields declining overnight, both of them coming down. So that's, showing more strength in gold. Um, VIX is about normal. Let's see. Right now, the the dollar is significantly weaker than gold, and We have 55% of retail traders are short. So everything's pointing up.
Yep.
Oh, that's a good with your logo and stuff behind you. That's good.
What's that?
You got Tono Miakoda behind you, like on the wall.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, that's good. Getting out your background or whatever. That's good.
Oh, because I don't see it. I'm on my phone.
Oh yeah.
Is
Yep.
it that gray one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, but it's
Like
not.
like with
It's
your
not.
signature and then Tono Miyakoda below it.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. But does it look all right? Because thought I stopped using that because my head was like, you know what I
Oh,
mean?
yeah, yeah, no, it looks good.
Okay. Wonder why it's on my phone and not my Zoom. That's weird.
Uh, Probably have background enabled on your phone and you don't have background enabled on your computer.
Okay. So I don't see me now. I guess I can't see me on the computer on the phone.
I think you can set it up to see yourself in a small window, but I'm not sure how to do that here. Good. What were you playing with over there? I put some rattling around. Okay, go get him.
This thing is not too close to my face, is it?
Nope, it's good.
All right, got it on an arm. Cool. I'm excited, man. I'm feeling like we got some movement that's gonna start happening for us, even though we're in July.
Yeah.
Got to break through this resistance on the 5 minute, 15 minute. Seems like we missed the run. As I'm looking at the pivots, it's layered.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
3377 is an MM3. Then you look over to the left, you got all of that resistance on the daily pivot and the weekly pivot.
Yeah.
We need something that's going to push it through. Might not happen today, but it might happen tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah, it might grind through there this morning and once we get up to where we can trade it. But yeah, there's too much resistance there.
Your post today is spot on too.
The I just wanted to trade.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. Funny, whatever I did when I turned on Zoom is still affecting my computer, even though I turned Zoom off. So now it's starting to think something different.
Huh.
It, it's delayed even after I turned Zoom off. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, let's not create a bias on the uptrend today, even though it happened. We might be
Yeah.
coming down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If it's not
Might be.
stronger than the
Yeah.
previous.
Could be turning around. Yeah. Yeah. It looks like kind of petered out there on the top, but we'll see.
I don't think Rock might be joining us because I think he might be jammed up a little bit. So,
Yeah.
but he wanted to
Yeah.
give it to me this week.
Yeah. He told me he was jammed up.
Where your hedges is good, right? You didn't come out of that bottom hedge, right?
Right. Right. I'm good. Well, I mean, I wish I had come out of the bottom hedge, right?
Yeah, it would have been perfect. It would have been perfect.
Yeah.
Could have moved it all the way up to 70 something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Are you in the are you in the same position I'm in?
let me check. Yeah, I could have came out at 42. I didn't, so now I'm kind of jammed up too.
I'm at 33, 36.
Yeah, I'm at 42. I was gonna come out that day, and I wasn't around to do it.
Yeah.
I missed that opportunity. But then it went back down anyway. It went
Yeah.
back down, and you had a hedge lower, remember?
Yep. Yep.
So I
Yep.
would have been further down, so it kind of worked for me. I never really hold hedges this long, but you got to do what you got to do. It's summer.
Yeah.
Um, by now, I would have made uh, 3 times what this swap is costing us.
Yep.
So we got to get in there. It's funny.
Work your magic.
So have to keep in mind that it's Monday, and Mondays almost always suck. I barely
Yeah.
put any in trading.
Yeah.
On it, just get a
Yep.
feel. And
It's a good day to reflect on your rules and obey them.
yeah.
We're getting the dollar's gaining strength and gold is losing strength, so we're going down here at least for the next minute or so.
What chart is that you're showing?
This is the 10-second.
10-second chart.
Yeah, futures.
Yep, it's gonna be a Monday. Never go Monday.
Yeah. Yep.
What it's gonna do to us?
We have the hourly candle coming up in about 4.5 minutes. See what we have going on here on YouTube, if anything.
I don't know who, I don't remember this, who, plus 500. I think that's another prop, maybe. I think we
Yeah.
were talking about them last week.
Oh yeah, I remember we talked about them. Yeah.
I sent them an email that said, "Do you accept U.S. traders?" They sent me an email back, replied, "Yeah, can you please clarify which country you are in?"
They must have read it. Do you accept us traders?
You, I'm not trusting you with my money.
Right.
You just lost my business, buddy. That is funny. Except us traders. Milo from PlexiTrade got back to me. He what I don't know if it was white label, but he said he white labeled my account to accept new MetaTraders. Anybody I refer over,
Oh, great.
they're gonna open up MetaTrader accounts for them. My main concern was how do we pull this off? You know what I mean? If we can't
Yeah. Yeah.
get them on MetaTrader, you know.
Mhm.
You know, it's cool having my phone with on Zoom because it
Yeah.
stops me from fiddling and faddling with it.
Hmm.
It's gonna be going up.
Yeah,
It
we
creeped
might
up.
have,
It gets creeped up on us 2 pips, 1.5 pips.
we've got a big resistance here on the 1 minute. Untested resistance, but it's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Lots to go anyway, it seems.
The Renko just broke all resistance, so that's a good sign.
Yeah. Get in, or what do you think?
We're still on that resistance on the daily and weekly, but let's just
Yeah.
chill for a second. Definitely trying.
Yeah, we're coming up to the DR2 and the MM3.
I'll let it clear though. That resistance that was on the DR on the daily pivot
Yeah.
and the weekly pivot is just getting blown through.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's not in a mental way, it's just getting blown through. So that's good.
Hitting the DR2.
Yeah.
Bounced off.
Good morning, gents.
Rock.
Hey, Rock. How was your weekend?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Good.
Mellow.
When did you want to get together, Rock?
What's that?
When did you want to get together?
Anytime around 2 is good.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I mean, I think I told you and maybe Mike for sure that I keep giving back to the market whatever I make.
Okay.
So that's like a big thing. It's not making the pips I'm having trouble with. It's keeping them.
We're keeping them.
Yeah. Been there. Been there.
That has to do with the charts, I imagine. Yeah.
Are you hedged up right now?
What's that? I'm all hedged up. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, we got to figure out, see what you're doing wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Trading. That's what you're doing wrong.
Yeah.
Don't get near this thing.
But Mary's going live today. I mean, she's trading live today
Nice.
Oh, good.
for the first time. So,
She's doing dollars.
yeah, dollar.
Okay. You got to give her some hand claps, Mike.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We got to, yay, Mary's going live.
Yay. She's very excited.
Have any of you ever been to one of those timeshare places where they get you to sit down and then they sell somebody a timeshare?
Yeah. I have not.
Huh?
I have not been to one of those places. No.
Oh man, I went when I was young. I was like 21 years old.
Mm-hmm.
And, went to this timeshare place. They you stay over the weekend. They feed you. They do everything to try and sell you these timeshares. And then on the last day, they hard press you for selling it to you.
Uh-huh.
And they get these people in this room, man, this big room like an auditorium, and then press them in high pressure cells. And every now and then they get a sucker. And when they do it, they get up and ring the bell. Ding a ding a ding a ding. Everybody starts laughing. And I'm looking around like, sucker, you're supposed to get a free weekend, not buy this.
That's silly.
It's been a slow summer, Rob, so you're not doing a lot there.
Very, very slow summer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
The dot is going on my laptop, on my monitor.
I'm gonna make some profits today. Well, that was that was supposed to be laughter from a crowd, but that didn't sound right.
So the DR2 and the MM3 are about at the exact same place, and they are holding this thing from going up.
Yep.
And then we got a 3381 on the WR1. Break that, we got clean.
This is also, yeah, this is also exactly the level from last week's high.
Oh, it is, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, so let's break it. Let's get it.
Yep.
Any analysis on why it went up so high?
Well, the dollar and yields came down.
Mhm.
So, that would be the inverse correlation. I will, much as I hate to, go into Donald Trump's Truth Social account here. So he railed against Adam Schiff. Let's see, 6 months of winning. Donald Trump Jr. is recommending Birch Gold to buy all of your apocalypse gold. Let's see. Crazy to me, just everything that's going on. Wow. No, nothing obvious
Nothing
that
obvious.
that
Wow.
I can
Yeah.
see. Let's see here what it says here on the Trading View news charts here. It says gold futures rise on monetary and trade policy uncertainty.
Yeah. So it's just that general policy, nothing specific happened.
Right. Yeah. Just because August 1st is looming, that is the deadline for trade deals again and tariffs getting slapped on um, other countries who haven't
Uh-huh.
reached a deal.
Uh-huh.
And Trump's still kind of threatening to fire Jerome Powell.
Right.
Things like that.
this one up.
I'm going to be on YouTube every morning. I'm going to have to start wearing a shirt and tie. Once we have viewers, I can't be like this sloppy. Shirt and tie on the top, underwear on the bottom. Something tells me might just be topping out here and have to come back down because it can't get through here on a Monday.
Yeah, makes sense.
With these two resistances, it's already come up 30 points since, 30 pips since the market opened.
Right.
Gonna try.
Yeah.
One minute for the COMEX open. Oh, look at that. It is pushing. Okay, we are getting through the resistance on the 1 minute. Almost through it on the daily pivot. Almost through it on the weekly. Take a little bit of a breather here. COMEX open right now. We're above the DM3, we're above the MM3. I think we have a ways to go if we want.
Does it?
If it recovers some momentum here. Where'd Tono go?
Oh, for some reason, it didn't go.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, I thought I was talking.
Oh, what were you saying?
That there's a WR1 at 3381.
Yeah,
You have to be a little wary of, but that momentum might break very short if it does it, what it just did.
yeah.
And it's going up.
Looks like it wants to go here. Yeah, unfortunately, it is what it is. We've got a big bear volume here on the 1 hour, on the 1 hour trading view as well. So unfortunately, it's not a great run up, even though this is where we're headed right now. Man, I want to get in, but I'm not.
Ringo's telling me to take it, but
And there are a couple pips here before that WR1.
Right. I'm on it. I'll take it.
All right. I'll take it too. You know why it's going down? Because I
Why?
got in. Because I got in.
I didn't want to say that. I didn't want to say that. I was $60 in profit. You got in and went down to 20. I was like, oh, I'm back at 50. So maybe I just take this 50 and call it a happy day.
How big a lot? Where did you get in?
I can't tell now. Where? Let me see. How do you go back and see where you got in?
I don't know.
I only
It's
got
fine.
40 out of it though.
Well, I didn't get it. I didn't think it had even moved between when you said you were in and I was in, and you got okay. I just took 90.
You got something out of it.
Yeah, but I don't know how you got 50. It just seemed like it didn't move between when you got in and I got in, and then you were saying 50 and I was showing 10.
Yeah, I had 50 and it went down to 20. It's like, oh, broke the WR1, if I'm not mistaken. Well, just that you just made 90. I only made 40. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, that's because I stayed longer. Yeah, I stayed longer.
Wow.
Well, that was a good trade, worthy of I don't know, worthy of an air horn.
Yeah, man.
Golf clap.
If it breaks this Renko, I think I'm getting back in.
Okay. Wait a minute. We're above the WR1 now.
Yeah, we're above it.
You broke it. Are you in?
I'm getting ready. I'm just waiting for it to see what it wants to do. Not quite in yet.
Yeah, this thing's a little fickle. I don't like it.
Also, now I have a little bit of help because Mary's FX trend works.
Oh,
good. Time to change biases, maybe. Maybe it topped out at the WR1.
Probably people taking profit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I think you mean people are taking profit.
Huh?
I said, I think you mean people are taking profit.
Yeah.
Because you say, you know what I mean, when
Yeah.
there's no possible other interpretation
I
that you
got
could
that.
mean.
Say that. Correct me because I have to break that habit. I've been having a habit for a long time. I've been trying to break, man. Yeah.
there's got to be a good like Saturday Night Live skit about that, where where someone's going like, "Yeah, I'm gonna go home and have sex with my wife," if you know what I mean.
They go, you know what I'm saying? If you know what I mean, or you know what I'm saying. Both of them are just as bad. Remember when I was about 15, I had a girlfriend. I went over her house and met a farmer. And I kept saying, talking to him, and I said, you know what I mean? He go, no. I would say it again. Then I go, you know what I mean? He go, no. I was like, what? I was saying to myself, how does this guy not know what I'm saying? Then I realized, oh, I know what he's doing. He's being sarcastic.
Yeah.
Like, no, I don't know what you mean. No. There we go.
Whoa. Okay.
Yep. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, up here, now that we're above the WR1, well, I guess we're right back at the WR1, but
Yeah.
once we get above it, pretty clean shot to the DR3. And on the way up there, we've got I've got an XAU trade
I'm in.
that you're in.
Yeah. I'm so game. I'm a little in profit, but one more. I want more.
Oh, I'm seeing this resistance right here on the 10 second. Like to get it
Yeah.
above that.
I would wait for that because I didn't.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna break. It has a little bit of momentum that's sneaking up on us.
Well, there you go. Now you're in profits.
They're not gonna give it to us easy.
No. No.
They notice a clean run up, so they want to push everything down, take all those stop losses before it goes up. You're not getting that? Nobody took any of that?
Uh,
I didn't take it. No, did you?
Yeah,
You got it right. Yeah.
140 on it. So I'm up 180 for the day.
No, I didn't take that. What'd you get?
I got 140 off of it.
Nice.
So,
It was moving a little too hesitant for me, and
yeah, no,
after it,
it was smart. You know what I mean? I was in it, and I couldn't do anything about it. So, you know what I mean? I should have waited for the break to have resistance on the 10-second. I got in underneath it. So I waited. So you were smart to hold off on it. It took out stop losses before it gave it up.
yeah. Did you go into negative much?
I went almost 40, 50 bucks negative.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, then it went turned around and gave me back the at first it went 100 positive, and as quick as it went 100 positive, it went 50 negative.
I hate that.
You know what I mean? So I was like,
Yeah,
took the 100. Then when it
that's
got
what destabilizes me. Yeah.
yeah. You still with us?
Yeah, I think Rock's still with us.
yeah, I'm here. Yes, sir.
I redid the course. It's going to be there'll be a new link if you guys want to go back to it. I made it more. It's organized better.
Okay, please.
Yeah,
Yes.
the way it was structured before, everything was blending together. Now
Uh-huh.
there's 12 separate modules with
Okay.
lessons and a workbook and a quiz. You know what I
And
mean?
it and interactive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, please send that link. Because that's the other thing I'm gonna start doing, just going through it all over again.
Yeah. We might have something here, fellas.
I'm in.
I'll go with you.
Oh, come on.
I'm not going to trade gold to that spot today. I'm going to wait till tomorrow. Just want to feel out what's happening.
I don't like what this is doing. I took a $10 loss.
It's going now.
Yeah. So it says.
I'm in.
Back in.
Oh, the sucker.
Just jerking around.
Yeah. You out that quick?
Yeah. I meant to exit. I hit buy again, so I actually got a tiny bit more out of it than I was expecting.
I still like the way it looks now.
Yeah, but I I tend to not get out unless it goes about 100 against me, and risking 100 to get 10 or 20 just isn't. I'd like it to be a little bit more, have a little bit more momentum, but I know.
It's nothing in his way right now. You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah. True.
There's really nothing in his way. I mean, that doesn't mean that they're going to not manipulate the market and push it down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Very simple. They can simply do that, which we can expect that to happen in a minute. You know?
Can you set up the laptop, please?
You're back in?
Yeah, I'm back in. It was by accident, though. I held my mouse over the button, waiting for the right moment, and it clicked in.
Yeah.
I was waiting for it to break this resistance, and it clicked itself on. I was like, okay, you put me in automatically. My deal.
I'd like it to come down and find support and then take off again. But it's looking a little overextended to me on the 5-minute.
Yeah. The wrinkle looks good. Like nothing above the wrinkle. Sure,
Yeah.
form right now. There's
Look at
nothing.
that. There you go. Now
Yeah.
you're in the money.
Yeah.
I have FOMO, but I can't. It's just looking extended.
You want to move yours? No, not with the dogs. Move that. Look at your phone.
turned out to be not bad for a Monday.
Thinking about getting in again here. You still in?
Oh, no, I'm out, but I'm gonna probably get in again.
Jesus.
What made you jump in there?
It had broken this little resistance on the 10-second. So I thought it was going to continue. Plus, there's nothing above, as you were saying. And I saw XAU gain a little, damn it. I got to get out here. It's going to wipe out everything I made today.
I don't like the way the wrinkle looks for you.
Crap.
Look like it wants to turn now.
So disheartening. I got to get out.
Did you lose any money or did you just break even?
Nah, down 70 now for the day.
Wants to go up again.
Took 50 on that one.
You're gonna be down 20.
Yeah.
Good.
So might go again here.
breaking 88.
Yeah. I was thinking it was a fake out and we were going to come back down.
FX Trends got it at like all green, at least until for the first hour at 5 stars. So I don't know.
The thing I find you have to watch with those things like FX Trend, as well as like with the relative currency strength here at FX Blue, is even when it's really lopsided, like right now, as soon as you start seeing those numbers converge, like the 9.0 on XAU turn to 8.9 and that negative 5.8 turn to negative 5.7, as soon as they start to converge, you're going in the opposite direction already, even if it's really more about the trend of whether they're diverging or converging that tells you what direction you're going.
Okay. Okay.
All right, 1 minute for the 9 o'clock candle. Starting to shift my bias. Okay. 9 o'clock. Can't trust those hourly candles right away.
If it breaks 88. 13 times.
Our dollar's gaining strength.
Well,
Are you in?
no, I'm not in yet. Well, it looks that way. I'm just waiting for the wrinkle to breathe. Some confirmation. So that 1 minute, the 1 minute Hakanashi is sitting on that resistance,
Yeah.
and the wrinkle's not moving. So once some money goes into it, it's going to either reject it or push it through it.
Yeah. What I see is the on FX Blue, the dollar or the gold is at 9.9, but the dollar was at negative 4.7 just a moment ago, and now it's at negative 2.6, now 2.5. So I think the dollar's gaining strength and it's not going to go.
On spot, it's on a blue box and getting sluggish.
Yeah. Dollar keeps gaining strength, now negative 2.2.
Hmm.
The yen's pointing down. Good call, Mike.
That was a good call.
Nice.
Still think we're going up though.
It does look that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The reason why I say it is the 1 minute Hakanashi just broke that resistance. The wrinkle is still pointing up, and the resistance on the 5 minute, it doesn't look like it's going to hold.
Yeah.
But they're small. They're not like thick. They're not thick resistances. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We might make it up to the DR3 on the WM4 if we're lucky. I'm all right with what I have for the day, so but I still want to try and get a little more.
You could give all that to me and then you just get some more.
You'll break even, right?
I'm 20 down.
20 down.
Yeah.
I'm at that precipice where I'm at 380 profit. Do
Right.
I take that home or do I
Yeah, you take it home.
say,
You take
baby,
it
need
home.
new shoes? You know what I mean? And keep going.
It's the summer. You got to take it home.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But just that quick, I could be coming home with negative 20. Yep. Now that we just bring it down. It's a funny area.
Yeah.
Not a bad day for Monday with no news. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, the market moved, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Didn't give us a lot of trading opportunities on the way up due to the resistances, and then it grinded. And then I got faked out. That's on me.
I think you got to watch your wrinkle a little bit closer on your entries.
All right. Is that what you were saying when you asked why I got in? Because the Renko was
Yeah.
pointing down when I clicked in?
Well, it wasn't pointing down, it just wasn't moving,
Mm,
right?
yeah.
Which tells you that it can go either which way. It was like
Yeah.
it was just on a solid line,
Yeah.
and I was waiting for the next brick to either show me up or down, and you jumped in, and then the next
Got
brick
it.
was red, right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
So if you just kind of hold off just a little bit to look at what the wrinkle wants to do, it'll save you from getting into bad trades and help you get into better trades.
Okay.
Like if you look at it right now, it's telling you don't do anything, right? If you look at it really close, it's pointing down more than anything else, right?
Right.
If you expand it just to see which way it's going.
Yeah.
But right now it's telling me now it's flipping a little bit to the upside. Now resistance forms or stopped it. See that?
Yep. Back to
So
down.
I would have been getting ready to take a buy, but the resistance form and the wrinkle went red on me.
Yep.
So it would have saved me from getting into that buy right there. I think the magic is that all the other charts work off of time and the wrinkle works off of price.
Yeah.
So if there's no money going in, there's no reason to get into the trade. If there's no money going in, you don't know which way the money is going. There's no reason to get into the trade,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
See how just broke the resistance and pointed up?
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's telling me that this is a buy opportunity. The only reason I'm not buying is because of what? Let's see. Look at the 1 minute Hakanashi,
Yeah.
right? The candlesticks on the 1 minute are too small. There's no momentum behind. Even though that is money there, that little movement right there was from
Yeah.
86 to 88. That's money. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah. Yeah, we might be going here.
Mm-hmm. So right now it's at 33.89 on the spot gold, right?
Yep.
The height of the day is 33.89, and there's a resistance on the 10-second and the 5-second and the 1 minute and the 1 minute Hakanashi and the 5 minute Hakanashi. So I would be waiting right now, even though the wrinkle is totally telling us we should be buying.
Yeah.
So you got to take all that other stuff in consideration with it. You know what I mean?
Right.
Just go by the wrinkle. We'd be buying right now. We'd be buying. And we'd probably be wrong. Yeah.
Mary's made 3 pips and she's retired for the day.
All right.
Wow.
All right.
Yeah.
Tell her every day is a winning day. If you walk away with 1 pip, it's a winning
Yeah.
day.
There-
Yeah.
yeah. Her goal is 5 pips a day.
5 pips today. All right.
Yeah. For this week. Yeah. Tono says every time you walk away with even 1 pip in a day, it's a winning day.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll look like to get ready to break because it broke to 1 minute. Hakanashi was resistant.
Yeah.
The Rico broke its resistance.
What do you think? We're pushing up into a resistance on the weekly pivot, though.
Yeah, 90. What is that? The weekly pivot? What resistance?
Yeah. Weekly pivot, aren't we?
Oh, I see
pushing?
it. Yeah. 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 Glad you pointed that out. I missed it. I don't think I'm gonna. The risk is not worth the reward for me to play around on a Monday. If I
Yeah.
can just walk away with this, I'll be happy.
All right.
I'm not going to be tempted. If you want me to stay on, I'll stay on with you guys, though.
I think we're good. I'm going to wait here for the 9:30 candle and see if it reverses.
Okay.
If it reverses, maybe I'll take a trade down, but I don't think I'm going to take any trades up given where we are on that weekly pivot.
Yeah. Plus, the DR3 is at 93 on mine, so I don't know where it is on yours.
Right. Yeah. Same. I have a XAU buy in at 91, but I've got so much swap fees on it. I need to wait for it to get higher before we get out of it.
Right.
Mm.
And that same buy.
You're in the same buy? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. I'll stick around when we start to. Probably starting tomorrow, I'll stick around till whenever you want to close it down. You know what I mean? I want to start trading the spot again. I got to find a rhythm because the way it's set up is not as easy as it was last 3 weeks ago.
Right.
I've got Trade-A-Bait and I've got Trade Locker accounts. And then I got MetaTraders. I've spread myself across too many platforms, so I got to figure out what I'm going to do with this. You know. Cool. All right. Be safe.
All right.
Guys. Rock.
I'll text you around 2
Cool.
2:15. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks, Tono.
Peace.
All right. Bye.
All right. See you, Tono.
And if you want to send me that the link,
Yeah, it won't be up until later this afternoon.
that's cool.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's time. I'm getting a little bit serious about this.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then, at some point, if the offer still stands, I'll come up to you,
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
learn the charts. Yeah.
Yep.
Like today is like the first day, maybe because I've got the chart up, I've got the FX trend going and everything. I haven't given anything back to the market, but the market's never been really this clean ever. I can't
Ugh.
remember the last time. It was just going up.
Yeah. It
Except
seems like a long time ago, but it was
when the
it was
war
doing
broke out.
Yeah, in April and in May, it was doing okay, picking
Yeah.
a direction. But
Yeah.
when it got into mid-June, it just started doing this.
Right.
Well, not this, but what it has been doing.
Right. Yeah, April, actually, when I was in Ireland, it was the first time I was trading on my phone on like dollar pips, and it was steadily going up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, coming down now.
Yeah.
2 minutes for the equities open.
Right.
Oh, there was the open. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Uh-uh. You came out almost even today, huh?
I'm 20 down.
That's
I was up and then I lost to 30.
oh,
Yeah.
but 20 down's not bad. That's really
Well, yeah, it is kind of bad. But I'll survive it.
but you know, if you went into like those sloppy trades, small trades, you'd make up your 20. That's not what you
Yeah.
want to do.
Right, yeah.
Wow.
Bit of a drop there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What'd you do this weekend? Anything fun?
Anything fun? Not really. Pretty much just hung around here at home.
Yeah.
Did some work on the terrace,
Nice.
and watched. There's a Billy Joel 2-part documentary. The first part came out on Friday on HBO Max, so I watched that. That was really good.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Yeah.
What's it on?
HBO Max.
Oh, HBO. Yeah.
Yeah.
I watched that. I watched like 5 hours of Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell
Oh,
documentary.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Filthy rich. It's truly disturbing.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks like we're coming back down here.
Yeah, it is. It looks like it's coming back down and saying, yikes, that was not a good call on my part. That's okay. There's a really good documentary called Soundtrack for a Coup d'etat. It's how the Americans used jazz musicians in the 60s and 50s and 60s to influence their interests in Africa.
Wow.
Brilliant.
That's
It's really well
interesting.
done.
Huh. So what is that on?
I think you'd have to buy it on Amazon,
Oh.
like $3-4 or something. I started watching it on a flight,
Oh.
and it's really long. It's like 3 hours or something. But it's amazing how they sent like Louis Armstrong and things like that all over the world to further their causes, and then he backed
Wow.
out of it. Yeah, I mean,
Huh. Can't really tell what it wants to do here at this point. It's just kind of meandering.
Yeah, that was like first decisive candle in a minute.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to decide to come up. It was just taking a breather there. I don't want to take a buy, even if it shows me that it might do it, because we're on a pretty big resistance here on the weekly pivot chart. I mean, I do want to take a buy, but I just don't trust it. But no, I'm not gonna do it. I think I'm going to call it. I think I don't see it coming back down right now, and I'm just gonna get tempted to take a buy, and that's where I'm gonna regret it. So I'm going to flick off and maybe go have something to eat and come back in 20 minutes or so and see if it's doing anything. But I'm probably done for the morning. I'll come back around 7:45 this evening for the Asia session. With that, I bid you farewell.